Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I am Ahmed. Congratulations! You have decided to learn Arabic. Learning a new language is a challenge. But when the new language like Arabic is strong and rich, it's even more challenging but easy and available. With Arabic as a foreign language, there are keys to improve your language skills. There are 15 tips that learners can follow to make learning Arabic easier, faster, and more enjoyable and help them to be fluent. Let's get started. Tip number one, decide which type of Arabic you want to learn. There are many types of Arabic. If you are looking for a local and limited Arabic dialect to learn, you can get it. But your language will be also local and limited. There are tens of dialects in the Arab world. It's your choice. Arabic is the mother tongue and official language of nearly 30 countries in the Middle East and Northern Africa. More than 1.5 billion Muslims use Arabic at least in their prayers. However, modern standard Arabic is considered the official language of 22 Arab countries and one of the official languages of the United Nations. Tip number two, start with the basics. Avoid trying to learn Arabic by transcribing words instead of learning the Arabic alphabet first. That's because Arabic uses many new sounds for non-Arabic speakers. Then learn short and long vowels. Fortunately, in Arabic, 99% of what you hear is what is actually written. Number three, learn to use the Arabic dictionary. In Arabic dictionaries, words are generally organized around 3-letter roots. To look up a word, you need to know what the root is. After a short time of practice, the process will be easier and more enjoyable. Number four, use Arabic lessons and materials. Organized and official study is important. If available, join a class or a school. If not, choose a syllabus or download it from the internet suitable for your level and study it at home. I'll give you some links below this video. Number 5. Choose what you need to learn first. Determine your level. Focus on the most important topics: vocabulary, verb conjugation, grammar, sentence structure, then move to the next level. Number 6. Study and practice phrases and sentences, not words. This tip is important in learning any language, especially in learning Arabic. The best way to learn a new word is to link it with another or insert it in a phrase or a sentence. Try to see it, hear it, write it, and speak it in a meaningful sentence or phrase. Number 7, for beginners, avoid studying grammar directly. Arabic grammar is not easy for natives and non-natives. It's enough and useful for beginners to study ready-made phrases and simple sentences with clear, easy, and indirect rules suitable for beginners not to be confused. Number 8. Watch movies and kids programs in Arabic. Watch Arabic movies with English subtitles on. In this way, you gain a better ear for listening, and the subtitles help you focus on what you are hearing. Watch children television programs in Arabic to improve your language skills. There are many Arabic channels in MSA. I'll give you some links below this video. Number 9. Listen to Arabic every day. There are many good channels in MSA like BBC, Al Jazeera, Al Arabiya, and many other channels. I'll give you some links below this video. Number 10. Converse in Arabic with other people. It's easy to find a conversational partner. Modern social media solved that problem. You can find many groups and pages for this purpose. I'll give you many links below this video. Number 11. Read aloud every day. Read about every day for about 30 minutes, maybe more, maybe less, and talk to yourself in front of a mirror. More than 99% of Arabic books, magazines, and newspapers written in MSA. Muslim students practice reading Quranic verses as a main reference of Arabic. and memorize them to improve their pronunciation in Arabic. It's a useful language tip. Number 12, study slowly but deeply and comprehensively. Don't study everything at the same time. Arrange your time, arrange your study in an organized schedule. Number 13, speak slowly but naturally and spontaneously. Don't be in a hurry. Arabic is a rich and strong language. As a beginner, you have to speak slowly to control the new and confusing sounds of Arabic and to improve gradually your speaking skills. Number 14, never stop learning Arabic. It's easy to begin, but it's a challenge to continue and achieve your task. Mastering Arabic may require years, but conversational skills can come easily and quickly. So, continuous study is important, useful, and enjoyable. Number 15, don't be shy and don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's an important point. We all make mistakes. Without mistakes, we won't learn at all. Believe me, even native speakers make mistakes in Arabic. So, don't be shy and don't be afraid of making mistakes. Thank you very much, dear friends. Till we meet again, I wish you good luck. مع السلامة.